Anticipation, I suppose, sometimes exceeds realization. Never interrupt someone doing what you said couldn't be done. The most effective way to do it, is to do it. Adventure is worthwhile in itself. To worry is to add another hazard. Women must pay for everything. They do get more glory than men for comparable feats, but they also get more notoriety when they crash. Never do things others can do and will do if there are things others cannot do or will not do. The stars seemed near enough to touch, and never before have I seen so many. I always believed the lure of flying is the lure of beauty, but I was sure of it that night. The woman who can create her own job is the woman who will win fame and fortune. Better do a good deed near at home than go far away to burn incense. Courage is the price that life exacts for granting peace. The more one does and sees and feels, the more one is able to do, and the more genuine may be one's appreciation of fundamental things like home, and love, and understanding companionship. The soul that knows it not, knows no release from little things. The soul's dominion? Each time we make a choice, we pay with courage to behold restless day and count it fair. Flying might not be all plain sailing, but the fun of it is worth the price. There is so much that must be done in a civilized barbarism like war. There are two kinds of stones, as everyone knows, one of which rolls. Obviously, I faced the possibility of not returning when first I considered going. Once faced and settled, there really wasn't any good reason to refer to it. In soloing, as in other activities, it is far easier to start something than it is to finish it. There's more to life than being a passenger. Women, like men, should try to do the impossible. And when they fail, their failure should be a challenge to others.